You see this right here? This right here? This is beetroot juice. You know what they say about beetroot juice? It's like Mother Nature's own little health potion, man. And I'm not talking about some wishy-washy, feel-good stuff. I'm talking real deal, tangible changes you can feel in your body. We're talking more energy, better digestion, glowing skin, the whole 9 yards. So, if you're ready to ditch the quick fixes and unlock your body's true potential, stick around because we're diving deep into the 21-day beetroot juice challenge. This is gonna be wild. Can drinking a simple glass of beetroot juice every day transform your health? Stick around to discover the incredible changes your body will experience in just 21 days. So, what's the deal with beetroot juice? What makes it so special? We're talking about a vegetable, right? But hold on, man, this isn't your average salad bar filler. Beetroot is packed, and I mean jam-packed, with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. We're talking about nature's own little nitric oxide factory. And nitric oxide, my friends, that's where the magic happens. It opens up your blood vessels, gets that blood pumping, and delivers oxygen to your muscles and organs like a boss. This stuff is like rocket fuel for your cells. But the real question is, what happens when you commit to drinking this stuff every day for 21 days? Let's break it down, day by day. Alright, so you've taken the plunge, you've had your first glass of beetroot juice. What can you expect in this first week? First off, you're gonna notice your gut thanking you. Beetroot juice is full of fiber, and fiber is like a scrub brush for your intestines, getting rid of all the gunk that's been building up. You'll be feeling lighter, less bloated, and your digestion is gonna be on point. Then there's the energy boost. Remember that nitric oxide we talked about? It's kicking in, baby. You're gonna feel more energized, more focused, like you can conquer the world. And the craziest part? This is just the beginning. Week 2, my friends, and things are getting serious. You're not just feeling good, you're feeling fantastic. That blood pressure starting to creep up on you? Beetroot juice is like a natural chill pill for your arteries. It helps relax and dilate your blood vessels, so your blood can flow freely without your heart having to work overtime. And if you're hitting the gym, get ready to crush your personal best. Beetroot juice is like a secret weapon for athletes, boosting your endurance and reducing muscle soreness. It's like having a nitrous oxide boost for your workout. Chapter 4, Day 15 to 21, the transformation is real. Week 3, the home stretch. By now you're not even thinking about it, you're just craving that beetroot juice every morning. It's like your body knows what it needs, and the results? Let's just say you're gonna be turning heads. Your skin is glowing, you're radiating health, and you've got this newfound confidence that comes from knowing you're taking care of yourself from the inside out. Weight loss? Beetroot juice can help with that too. It's low in calories, high in fiber, and it helps keep your blood sugar levels stable so you're not getting those crazy sugar crashes. Chapter 5. Beetroot juice hacks, level up your health game. Alright, so you're ready to jump on the beetroot train, but let's be real, it doesn't taste like a milkshake. Don't worry, I got you covered. First off, fresh is best. Get yourself a juicer, throw in some beets, maybe an apple or some ginger to sweeten the deal, and boom, you've got liquid gold. Don't want a juice? No problem. You can find pre-made beetroot juice at most health food stores. Just make sure it's organic and free of added sugars. Chapter 6. Listen to your body. Moderation is key. Now before you go chugging gallons of beetroot juice, let's talk about moderation. Like anything else, too much of a good thing can have its downsides. You might notice your pee turning a little red, that's normal, don't freak out. It's just the beetroot pigments doing their thing. And if you have any pre-existing health conditions, especially kidney stones or low blood pressure, talk to your doctor before adding beetroot juice to your diet. Outroad joined the 21-day challenge. So there you have it, folks, the 21-day beetroot juice challenge. It's simple, it's effective, and it could be the key to unlocking your healthiest self. Are you ready to take the challenge? I know I am. Hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments if you're joining the 21-day beetroot juice journey. Let's do this. Ready to transform your health in just 21 days? Start drinking beetroot juice today and share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing health tips.